Oppo Reno Ace 2 spotted on antenna, images tip hole punch display and circular camera module. Oppo Reno Ace 2 was recently spotted on the certification website of 3C, a regulatory body in China. The 3C listing showed the Oppo Reno Ace 2 with model number PDHM00 and hinted at 65 watts fast charging and 5G support. Now, the same model number has also received TENA certification that shows the phone's images. According to the TENA listing, the Oppo Reno Ace 2 will come with a hole punch design and Oreo-shaped quad camera module, like the one seen on the OnePlus 7T. The TENA listing also shows the Oppo Reno Ace 2 having 5G support. The listing also shows the phone with a hole punch design, with the front camera cut out on the top left corner of the screen. It also suggests that the camera module of the speculated Oppo Reno Ace 2 will be a circular-shaped module, with the LED flash placed beside the Oreo-shaped camera unit. The camera unit, from what can be seen in the TENA images, shows a quad camera setup on the Oppo Reno Ace 2. An earlier live image leak for the Oppo Reno Ace 2 also showed the phone with a circular camera module, but that leaked image did not have the LED flash placed beside the camera. The earlier 3C listing for the Oppo Reno Ace 2 hinted at the phone coming with 65 watts fast charging and 5G support. The Oppo Reno Ace 2 has also been spotted on the Wi-Fi Alliance certification website with the same model number. The Wi-Fi Alliance listing had hinted at Android 10 OS, Wi-Fi 6 support and support for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.